View and manage event waiting lists, a bidirectional sync between more profile fields and the Active Directory, and numerous improvements for events and news teasers. You can now find all this and more in Linchpin. Welcome to the new Linchpin update. In this release, we find some much desired improvements and new features, so let's get started right away. Event organization is largely automated in the Linchpin intranet. The system can help you to create several events at once, automatically send saved messages to participants, or automatically move up waiting list registrations. However, sometimes it makes sense to take action yourself. This is exactly why event creators, event editors, and admins can now view and manage the waiting lists. There is a new tab in the participant view for this purpose. As long as you have the necessary editing rights for the event, you can view and edit the waiting list. This is super handy if, for example, someone falls ill and is unable to cancel their registration manually. Now the person can simply be removed from the list by the event or admin team, freeing up space for someone else to move up the list. The second highlight of the April release: two-way sync between even more profile fields and the Active Directory. To ensure that changes made in profiles also appear in AD or the database of your choice, the field types Country Select, Language Select, and Multi-Select can write into the Active Directory. From now on, double data maintenance for these field types is a thing of the past. The third highlight we would like to present to you today is copyright information for images used in news teasers and events. Starting today, displaying this information on top of the images is possible in your Linchpin intranet. From now on, you are on the safe side when it comes to legal compliance if you use external images in your events and posts. As always, we have implemented many other small and large improvements in this release too. You can find all the details in the full release notes. The next features are of course already being planned and built. You can always see what these are on our platform for feature requests. Canning. Simply follow the link displayed on the screen. We all know that the future of software lies in the cloud. Even if many companies are not yet able to switch, all providers and manufacturers are working on removing all the hurdles that still exist today. Perhaps you are already thinking about moving your intranet to the cloud. We can warmly recommend Mantra, our solution for a social intranet in the cloud. So be sure to check out the brief introduction to Mantra that follows. Apart from that, we say thank you for tuning in and for your feature suggestions. We'll see you in August at the latest for the next Linchpin update.
Ooh.